Hi, hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so, you know how I think 2 years ago I tried to make a plane and I literally failed at it?
Okay, I can do this. Yeah, I'm just gonna go sleep.
Yeah, that. So, today I'm getting redemption because we have this store here. I move my hands a lot. I don't mean to do that. Across the America and Europe, we have this store called Aldi where you can get things for on the cheap, good stuff, good for cheap stuff. And I was strolling through with my mother getting groceries. We got knockoff Chips Ahoy, we got knockoff Oreos, we got knockoff everything, really, because we're brown. What do you think we are to pay full price? Anyway, my whole point is we got a rocket. Yeah, in one of the aisles they had this rocket just sitting there with a whole bunch of other science projects like minerals and microscopes and stuff like that. I had to dig for this because all the other boxes were open. This one doesn't look like it was open, but it's also taped very shoddy, so it's also very light. This isn't gonna work, right? There's really nowhere on this box that says that it... Oh, it does! It does actually. Watch the shuttle blast off into the air. It does actually say that it flies. So if this doesn't fly, I'm coming for you, Adventure Club. I'm coming for you. If you hear, like, steady jangling in the background, it's my radiator. It's, like, right next to it. I have nowhere else to go that it won't jangle. Okay, so, there's a lot of stuff that could kill me. And yes, I am actually gonna go outside and try to take this thing off because, I paid $6. And that's a lot for a brown person. Also, my college literally starts soon, and I couldn't pick a science class in time before they were full, so this is my science class right now. Okay, so I raised up my table so you could see it a little bit more, so you could actually understand what I'm doing. Inside, we have a lot of stuff. We have what looks like the rocket body. We have that. We have whatever this is. We have this. We have fins. I know that. That's fins. We have what appears to be the base.
Is this allowed?
And we have stickers. I bought it mostly for the stickers. We also have 2 packs here. One of baking soda, which makes sense. And then citric acid. Now, I don't know if you guys know, but like, I have an award up there for science back in elementary school, but I have an award for science nonetheless. And I, for one, did not know that citric acid could be used as a propellant when mixed with another chemical. That doesn't sit right with me. The instructions were still inside the box. Yo, you guys can't see that right now, but it literally stuck. I threw it and it stuck right there. Dude, I am the... Back to our regular schedule program. Okay, instructions. Ages 8 and up. Adult supervision required. I'm my own adult. It also has a naked alien in front of it. So, YouTube. Find a flat surface that you can use as your work area. Boom. Take out all content and lay them out in front of you before you begin. Boom. Use the metallic stickers to embellish your shuttle's body. You do that first. Insert the shuttle's body into the fins. Thought it would be the other way around. Grab the stopper, place it at the top of the reaction pipe, and place it through just as the image below. Put it aside. You will need this later on. Huh? Oh, the thing I threw over there. Oh, there's a part 2. I thought that was it. It's just decorating. Oh, okay, I get it. My small, feeble brain is understanding. Put these in here, and then you have an... This is not gonna fly. It says to decorate the tube first, so, I'm gonna do that. So here's my rocket. It has, of course, the window at the top with perfectly aligned screws. I don't want to hear... Yeah, do it. I see you scrolling to the comments. Don't even. Did I judge you when you came out of the womb? Thank you. I thought not. As I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, we also have the number 1 at the top to symbolize how we're going to be the number 1 rocket in the entire world. We have a planet. We have this nice Freddy Fazbear style strap around it. We also have Mars, the logo for Mars. We have humans and aliens co-inhabiting among the stars. And then we have the very obvious buttons that you want on any rocket. A start engine, a start, and a stop button. On the rocket. What do I do now? Insert shuttle's body into the fins. Yeah. Grab the stopper, place it on... Oh my god, I need to read. Okay, I did that. Find a safe area outdoor to perform this. Must be away from electric poles, cables, buildings, and traffic. Preferably a park or a backyard. I have one of those! Paste the launch pad on... Oh, do I gotta go outside and do this now? I didn't really think of that. Okay, you know what?
Hi, I'm outside now. My hair is blue. I'm not necessarily going crazy. I was bored, and we've had the hair dye for like a year now. I don't need. It's none of your concern. I really hope all of our neighbors just think I'm talking to somebody on Skype because this is going to get embarrassing. In addition to everything that came inside the box, I needed a water bottle, cups, soap, not soap, what the hell? Measuring spoons and a popsicle stick. I'm gonna try and figure out the science part out while you just go and do something. Go ahead, just go. I said go. I'm gonna move you and put you right there, cause like anything could happen right now. I gotta capture it all. Hi, I'm just checking up with you. I'm currently mixing the citric acid into the water. Science! I have just filled this tube full of baking soda, even though it just looks like the best crack pipe in the world right now. I didn't say it, you did. I think we're getting down to the final moments. This is my citric acid and this is my baking soda. I'm gonna go do something over there, and if the video catches it, it happened. I think it's about time. Stupid. It's flying! Huh. So that was a failure. I mean, I could technically try again. Give me a second. Mixing the citrus and water, pouring, filling, preparing, visualizing, inserting, shaking. I was holding it. So I'm the problem. There's chemicals everywhere. The dirt might have radiation poisoning. And I'm left with no rocket. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go. This was obviously the best thing I could have ever done. I did the best. It was the #1 rocket. It went so far into space so fast you didn't even see it. You could shut your out. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna leave this video here. I have no more baking soda to try. Unless. Hey, Ma, do you have baking soda? The story's not over. I found some baking soda. You will work this time, or else I will sell you off to the Russians. Mixing, pouring, capping, bringing, regretting. Listen, we need to talk. It went so far that you guys couldn't even comprehend how far it went, okay? You guys don't get to judge me on my... It's not my fault. It's not my fault. You know what? This thing was made in China. This thing was made... Did you know that? That's nothing against Chinese people, but I also bought this in Aldi, so... Yeah, brown people are cheap. I thought I recorded an outro outside, but apparently I didn't, so... Hey. Anyway, guys, like and subscribe if you're enjoying the fly with me wherever I go. My Instagram and Twitter are down in the description below. And up there and down in the description, you'll find the new collaboration I did with Taquim UH, Sane Girl, Justine, and Kokob. There might have been another person, but my memory sucks, so you'll just find that in the description below. We did great. Everybody in it did great. I was in a video for it, so all that will be in the description somewhere. It's about to hit 200 views, so, like, please support. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!